Go, Shep, faster, faster.
You're the man. Let's talk about the BMX track.
Let him pass you, Shep. To the right, to the right.
There you go.
To the right. Good job, good job. Okay, net. Uh-oh.
I know that's what I'm in.
Good job, Shep. Way to go. Way to use your brakes, son. Climb, Sheppy, climb, climb, climb. Climb, climb. You did it. Good job. Go, Shep, go. You did a great job. You hear me?
Yes.